Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to share Google Drive on Messenger. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. On Google Drive, we can see there if we open up the Google Drive like this, we know that all of our files will appear here. Now if you want to share anything on Messenger, tap on share, go back from here, tap on the three dots, tap on copy link. Simply copy the link. Once the link is copied, go on open up Messenger, go to any of your, paste the link here and simply send the link. And that is how you can share Google Drive on Messenger. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.